All right, so we have stopped outside of, well, between Hawthorne and Winnemucca. We found these lovely dunes. And we're going to do some grounding and some sun gazing. What little there can be done under these skies. But yeah, my back's a little sore. Got some inflammation going on. So this is the ideal cure. Grounding will dissipate that and reduce the inflammation. And I'm going to I'm going to get naked and I'm going to lay down here on these dunes and sort of bury myself. On the bottom half, and the top half is going to get some sunshine, and that should be all I need. And I've been doing this for a while. This really helps. Anyway, there you go.